Okay, this shit is out of control. I'm driving through hell and I done brought snow. It's shining in here and I done brought gold. I hear the sirens right out the chateau. Run me the info.
Good morning, my elite fam. Happy Saturday. Y'all, I'm looking very crazy because I am on my way to start my maintenance for my vacation. So we are going on a Caribbean cruise for my cousin's birthday / retirement. So I am on my way right now to go get my hair done, and we are going from this to this. So I did get my hair braided. I wanted knotless braids, and y'all, I did not want to take out a whole lot. So I told her to, make them as sparse as possible so it'd be a quick takedown. This is what we came up with. Yes, I have to go and lay my edges down because they are standing up. But yeah, so now we got our hair done. We will definitely still have to get our toes done. And when we get that done, I'm not sure. But yeah, so let's head to the car wash and then to the pharmacy, and then we are headed home because we got company tonight. All right, bye. Hey Miley fam, so it is already Monday. I did not pick that camera back up yeah since I talked to y'all on Saturday. And don't you hate when you get a car wash? Now my daughter shamed me about my car being dirty. She said, Mom, I didn't even recognize your car because it was looking a little grayish. It's a white car, but it was dirty from all the salt and the dirt. And I'm like, I'll get to the car wash whenever I get to it. So I come out of work today, and why the birds just done pooped all over my car. It's like, seriously? They always target the cars. As soon as they get washed, they be like, okay, it's time to take a little poo-poo. But anywho, y'all, I'm about to go stop by my mom's house, and then I have a eye appointment, and then I'm going to head to the mall to pick up a birthday gift. So I will pick you guys back up once I am on the road and going that direction. All right, bye. Where the hell is purses at? So the theme of her birthday party is blue. So I was trying to get her a blue handbag, and y'all, I cannot find a blue handbag. She likes Michael Kors, and I don't see no Michael Kors up in here. Very interesting. And I looked up the Calvin Klein, and the Calvin Klein was bad reviews. So this one is really cute, but the how they hold up, they don't hold up well. But let me get off of here because their music is very loud. So they only had like maybe 3 or 4 Michael Kors. They're not going to be carrying Michael Kors anymore. And they were all black. So we're going to go down to Coach and see if they have anything. Happy Tuesday, Miley fam. So I'm just getting off work on my way to the gym. It has been 5 days, y'all, since I've been in the gym. We had so much stuff to do, and of course on the weekends we don't go to the gym. So we are going in to get our workout on. We're working on biceps, triceps, and shoulders today. So I will pick you guys back up when I am either on my way home or when I get home. And I didn't pick y'all back up yesterday. I was struggling trying to find that gift, the purse, and I ended up finding one. It was a cute Michael Kors. I was way at the front that I did not see. It was so cute that I ended up getting myself one too. So I will show that to y'all when I get home. All right, be back in a few. Bye.
Baby, the sound of you, better than a homie. I want you off my mind, and on me, holding me closer than we've ever been before. This ain't a dream, you're here with me. Boy, you don't get no better than you. For you, I wanna take my time all night. I wanna love you in every kind of way. I wanna please you, no matter how long it takes. If the world should end tomorrow and we only have today, I'm gonna love you in every kind of way.
Good morning, my elite fam. Happy Friday. So I was able to get the rest of my little maintenance done without going to the shop to do it, and I think it came out pretty decent. You know, saved a few coins and saved some time. But we are about to end this vlog here. Yes, it was a short vlog, but I will see you in the next vlog, which will be my travel vlog. So make sure you hit that notification bell so you will be notified when I drop that vlog, and it will be a blast. So make sure you tune in. All right, catch you in the next one. Bye.